I don't often video desserts. Not sure why, as I do make them at home. But after making this one, I felt compelled to share it with you. It's apple, it's crumble, it's cake, it's immense. Hey up, Nick here, and another expedition into the world of culinary delights, or in layman's terms, another cooking video. So today I present to you the essence of homeliness. It's comforting, it's nostalgic, and it never ceases to induce the eye-closing, head-shaking smile of happiness. What is it? It's an apple crumble cake. Now I come from Yorkshire, where apple crumble was just a staple for dessert. You know, a bit like the apple pie in the US of A. And as a kid, a homemade sponge cake was also something I would just really look forward to. And my grandma was untouched in this department. So imagine cake and apple crumble getting together and forming a beautiful relationship. Well, this is it. And to add some intrigue, the apple is joined by its long-term associate, the juicy sultana. And they are pepped up with some rather punchy companions. We've got Calvados, the amazing apple brandy. We've got some cinnamon, that long-term friend you always feel comfortable with. And a touch of allspice. You know, the dried unripe berry of Pimenta dioica. You know, the mid-canopy tree native to Greater Antilles. Yeah, okay. So I made that one up. Well, I didn't actually make that one up, I looked it up. But what these ingredients create is a beautifully balanced, flavoursome, fruity sensation. And when combined with the airy sponge cake and a crumble packed with flaked almonds and almond meal, you create a dessert to turn heads and to bow down and submit to. As Fergus Henderson said, this is having your cake and eating it. And with that, I reckon we should get cooking. how good does that look? I can tell you it's even better to eat, warm with cream. Now the great thing about this crumble cake is that you can replace the apple with pretty much any fruit. So rhubarb and orange zest is what the original recipe called for. But you could use apricots, gooseberries, peaches and nectarines, plums, blackberries and raspberries, cherries and kirsch, and I'm told that pears and ginger work really well, so that might be my next one. Look, don't be afraid to try things, new things. Sometimes they don't work, but sometimes you just hit on something that just will inspire you. Something that you'll be just itching to tell others. And that is why I'm sharing this apple crumble cake with you. Look, I hope you've got some value from today's video. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified of upcoming videos and to help my channel, this channel, grow. But until the next time, cook better, eat better, and feel great. Bye for now.